Hey guys, today we're going to look at how we set up and use the Scratch and Win card in your mobile app. The first thing is in your app dashboard, go to the left-hand menu here and select the Scratch card. When you open yours up, you'll probably see nothing here because it'll be blank. I've got a few already set up here, so I'm going to use this for the purpose of this demonstration. You will click the Add button, Add Edit button, and when you do, you'll come to this screen. And I will explain all the fields right here. So first thing, title and subtitle, pretty self-explanatory. The next field here is password protected, so you are able to enter a password, and what this does is locks the Scratch card so no one will be able to scratch it without entering the password. The purpose of this is to drive traffic back to your place of business. So if you've got Scratch cards and people want to scratch, they got to come in to have someone, one of your staff, enter the password and open the card so they'll be able to scratch. And the whole purpose is to drive traffic back to your business. The next thing we see here is the cover image. The recommended sizing is right here. This is the image that people scratch with their finger to reveal if they won a prize or not. You can brand this any which way you want, obviously with your client's branding, your own branding, whatever you want to put. Great little tool here. We've got the next field here, which is the loser image. This is the image that will pop up if they do not win a prize. Okay, again, the recommended sizing is here. For your information, we've got an image library that you can choose from. We've only got 4 or 5 pictures in here right now, but we'll add stuff as we go. The next field that we see here is retries. So what this means is how many times will you allow one user to retry this Scratch card. In this example, we've got 10. So this means that our user will be able to scratch this card 10 times before it expires and they won't be able to use it again. Okay, so whatever number you put here, that's how many times an individual user will be able to re-scratch the card. The next field is time for retries. This means how long between retries. So if I scratch the card right now, in this example, we've got 4 seconds. I gotta wait another 4 seconds before I can retry it again. Okay. Obviously 4 seconds is not a good example. I would put something like 24 hours. You don't want someone sitting there scratching the card all day until they win a prize, right? Prize expires in means exactly what that means. 24 hours. After 24 hours, the prize will no longer be valid. They won't be able to claim it. Okay. Redeem code, this is the password that you would enter on the screen when someone wins a prize. Terms and conditions, this is your legal jargon. Any terms and conditions can be put in this box here. The claim text, this is something that you can pop up on the screen that says, please share on Facebook to claim your prize, or please do this, or please, whatever the message is, this will pop up when somebody wins a prize. These boxes right here, you can ask your clients to complete their profile in order to claim a prize or share by Facebook. The other thing is this right here is user groups. So if you've got different groups, so you can make different cards for different groups. So example, if you got basic members, premium members, you can put lesser prizes in the basic group. You can put premium prizes in the premium group. You can assign it to different groups, meaning that only these groups will have access to this card. You hit the active button and submit, and you come back to the screen right here. It will list your card at the top. The next thing you've got to do is set up your prizes. So you would come over here and manage your prizes. And what you would do is hit the add button. Obviously, we've got some already in here. Hit the add button, and this screen will pop up. So you're able to upload your image. This could be the prize of what someone's going to win. Again, the recommended sizing is right here. You name the prize in the top field there, and then the number of times the prize appears in the number of views, the number of scratches. Again, what this means is exactly what it sounds like. You're telling the system, I want this prize to appear 22 out of 100 times. So 22% of the time, you're going to have a $10 gift card winner. Okay, obviously the bigger prizes are going to be less frequent. Okay, you're not going to want to have big prizes given away often. So you're telling the system the $100 gift card in this example, only 1% of the time, 1% of people that scratch this card. So 1 out of every 100 people will win the $100 gift card. Okay, again, you can see all the different types of prizes you can add and different images. You can really play with this and make it really custom. It doesn't have to be a gift card or a discount. It can be a tangible prize, movie tickets, an iPad, whatever you choose. Again, keep in mind the percentages here. Don't go over 100% because that won't make any sense. You can go up to 100%, which means everyone's a winner, or under 100%, and which means that, say you made 90% winners, 10% will see that loser image that we just looked at before. Okay, so coming back to your Scratch card, over here we're looking at entries. So when we look at entries, these are all the entries of all the people that have won a gift card, or sorry, gift card, a prize. Okay, and then you can see if it claimed yes or no. Back to the card here. This button means resetting the counter. So we looked at the prizes. You know, 1 out of 100 people are going to win the top prize. You can reset the counter by clicking this button right here. And once you do, now the counter thing starts all over again. So the big prizes are all back in play. Everything's back in play. Okay, so that's what that does. Obviously, the active button here deactivates or activates the card. And that's essentially how you set the card up. Now, setting it up on your home screen, let's take a look at it. We go to our home screen. We'll do it on this tab right here. We would come to, let me start over, I apologize. You would add an image here, or it could actually be on your home screen image here. If you're mapping it out, let me just see, do we have any place here? So let's do it, I'll show you both ways. So if you add a special tab just for the scratch card, you can add an image here that, you know, and make it look like whatever you want. Come over here and then give the function, call it scratch card. And then you'll see there's different types of scratch cards, so you can select on which one you want to show for this specific one. So this is the one that we were working on. I would select this, make it active, and hit submit. And now it's on my home screen, and when people touch this image, it'll go to that scratch card, the image that they would scratch right up there with their finger. If you're mapping it out on the home screen, same kind of thing. I'm just going to change this one. So let's say this was a scratch card image there. I can come down to scratch card, and then again select which card I'm doing. Okay, and then hit submit and update, and now it will be on your home screen. So that's how you set up a scratch card. Thanks for watching.